How's it going, everybody? What I want to do today is share a resource that I recently discovered that I think is incredible, and I actually think it would be helpful to everybody who watches this channel and who is exploring or currently working within the print on demand business. This is, I think, one of the resources that I wish I had discovered a long time ago, but I guess it's never too late. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about All Sunsets, which is a sunset graphic designs for print on demand. And I'm going to talk about what these guys offer and then how I use it. So I'm going to show you the actual process of how I would use one of their graphics for a design that would be ready to be uploaded to either Merch, Zazzle, Redbubble, whatever you guys, your Etsy stores or whatever else, whatever platform you use to sell your products on. So first of all this is basically a library of, as you can see here, 2,500 original sunset and retro graphics that are ready for you to download. They come in the dimensions that you want them to be in. They're transparent, and you actually have commercial use for print on demand. But what you have to do is basically make a change to the graphic. So you can't just download the graphic, put it on your product, and start selling. And I'm going to show you how this actually works. So these are the kinds of designs that are actually available. Any kind of niche, any kind of category you can think of, these guys have it. And just before I get into it, I do want to show you their actual payment plans that they offer. So I've signed up for 1 year, and you get access to, for example, this is the plan that I have, and you get access for 1 year on all of their graphics. Now let's jump right into the graphics, but they also offer 2 years, 3 years, and so on. So when you become a member, you log in, this is the page that you get to. Like, of course, this is not the home page, this is already the product page, but I just wanted to show you how you would go and select a product, and then, like I said, going to the next step in using it in your design. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use Canva. I'm not using Photoshop or anything. I think the majority of my viewers here actually use Canva or something maybe similar like PicMonkey, but I'll show you the combination of All Sunsets designs and Canva and how you can actually get a design ready within a few minutes, just by using the resources that are available. Canva is free, and of course this is a paid service. So let's say you're looking for a graphic, and the amazing thing about this is because, like I said, any category you can think of is available. So here we have palm trees, we have weightlifting, we have drones, animals, all that kind of stuff. Female girl bowling, right? So you can click on any one of these designs, and it is ready for download. So I've already prepared one. I'm going to show you how I get to it. But for example, if you were to download this one, it would be a file ready for upload and editing. So I've gone into aliens and UFOs. Actually, let me go back just to show you quickly how many categories there are, and anything that you can think of, including military, let's see, politics. So all this kind of stuff is ready to go. So the one that I've selected was in the aliens and UFO category. No particular reason. I just thought it was something cool, and I'll show you what I had in mind. So this is the graphic that I downloaded. I'm going to show you basically what the process with that was, but I just want to scroll down and show you some of the other examples. So once I click on this, I received two files. One was a clean file and the other one was distressed, just the way that it looks in this image. So once you download it, the file is yours. It's ready to go. It's ready for further design changes, editing, whatever you want to do. So this is Canva. Anybody who's working with Canva, this is how you would actually get ready to design to make a design and get it ready for upload to any product that you're going to be selling. So this is my image library. The image that I downloaded is this. So this is basically what you get. Now you can change it, you can move it. Like I said, what you need to do is make edits to it, and we're going to do that by including text. So with Canva, what's awesome is, for example, if you wanted to resize this or do whatever you want with it, it's very easy. Aligning it also is easy, centering, all that kind of stuff. And then if you wanted to include text, all you have to do is go to the text option here. It's right off the screen so you guys can't see it, but that's okay because this isn't a Canva tutorial. And you can pretty much choose, what kind of text you want to include. But for this, we're going to go with basic text, and I'll just say something funny. So in this case, for example, what you can do is you can include this text here, and then if you wanted to change the colors, for example, in Canva, what is actually pretty cool is that this platform actually recognizes the colors that are already included in the image. So for example, if you just wanted to stay on theme, you can select a color that's already included in the image, and this would be it. So for example, this would be your t-shirt design. Now I was actually thinking in advance and thinking what would be funny, and one of the best sellers is the hide and seek champion t-shirt with Bigfoot, and I actually, just not to get anybody in trouble with this video, I went on Trademarkia just to see, and it looks like hide and seek champion terminology is available. So I'm not exactly sure, I haven't double checked, but it looks like it could be. So for example, if you wanted to do that, so for example, hide and seek champion, you wanted to use that terminology, and let's say you wanted to make the text a little prettier, make it, for example, larger, center it according to the image, and now you have, for example, options on the font. You can play around with different colors and decide, for example, what would work for your design. So we're going to go through some of the colors. For example, again, this color is included in the image, so is this one, so is this one, so is this one. And again, you can be really creative with terminology. If we wanted to, for example, use curved text here, we can do that because the option is also here. So let's see what we can do. So what we're going to do is, let's say I'll move the alien down a little bit, and then if we want to center it, we can go with a design that looks like this, for example. And again, I'm just doing this very quickly, not putting a lot of thought into it. I'm mostly showing it to you guys, but again, within a few minutes, we've created a few pretty cool designs or designs that are ready to be uploaded based on of only one image that we've downloaded from All Sunsets. So again, this is a great resource. People have been asking me about different tools that I've been using, and this is one of them. This is one of the resources. And again, working with a combination of platforms like Canva, like All Sunsets, it makes it really easy for you to design these sorts of things. And again, we've only looked at one, but again, if we go back and think about all the options, for example, about what you can do with even just one single image, and this gives you the opportunity to be as creative as you want, because you can have 100 or 1,000 different quotes or words related to this one image. So basically what I'm trying to say is the opportunities here are limitless, and it's all limited by your imagination. But again, the service, I think, is amazing. I think that the price is reasonable. It is so easy to use. And as you can see here, all of these are free for download. And if you're using Canva, I use it for things like this just because it's so easy and it's so quick. And all you would do, for example, right now is you can download this with a transparent background, and you're ready to upload it to Merch, Etsy, whatever else platform you work with. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you know where to leave them. And in the future, I'm going to talk about more similar services, anything else that I think would be extremely helpful to you guys, and things that I wish I knew about years ago. So again, thank you. Talk to you later.